Like many things this year, Halloween will be different than what many of us remember.
The coronavirus changing the way we do things, but also what we need to do to stay safe. News 9's Gage Goulding reports with tips to stay safe and healthy.
Halloween during a world health pandemic brings new health guidelines that you need to know to keep you and your family safe. Whether you're heading out the door to trick or treat or you're staying inside awaiting those who are, make sure you have your mask handy. And no, not your costume mask.
You really want to make sure you're wearing that mask up over the nose, down under the chin with your costume.
For trick-or-treaters, remember tips from years past, like don't walk alone, bring a flashlight, and always inspect your candy before eating, throwing away opened or tampered with pieces. This year, there's more to staying safe. Use hand sanitizer after each stop. Go only with those in your family. Don't go in large crowds, and practice social distancing. Parents, make sure you talk with your children before heading out.
Remember that they need to walk on sidewalks. They need to use crosswalks. Tell them not to cross in the middle of a block. Make sure they are extra careful around alleys and driveways.
If you're passing out candy instead,
Even as the homeowner, you could have pumpkins set out 6 feet apart so that people can kind of know where to distance themselves.
it's a good idea to have hand sanitizer available. Use a table to create a physical barrier and put candy in a bowl so you're not touching. Adults that are driving, be extra careful on residential streets.
AAA research shows that a pedestrian is twice as likely to die when a car hits them traveling 35 miles an hour as opposed to 25. So speed is a definite factor.
The Ohio State Highway Patrol wants to remind all adults that are planning on partying to have a designated driver or find a place to stay.
If you are impaired, you will be arrested. There's no place for impaired driving, especially on a night like Halloween, especially on, when kids are trying to do trick or treating.
Reporting for News 9, I'm Gage Goulding.